Okay, what the heck? Oh. I hope this comes out okay. I had a scare last week. Had to go to see if I had COVID or whatever. But yeah, you go to the. I went. It took about 3 days. But anyways, it was not a great week, so I didn't make any videos last week. I am doing the 3 videos people signed up for. 3 breaks, 2 packs of Prestige value packs, $1 per team, $1 per shipping and handling. I can't think. All these. The second break will be a hanger box of Chronicles 2020, I think this is. See? I think it's 2020. I'm pretty sure. And then this one and this one, the first one and the second one were $1 per team, $1 per shipping, and the third one is a 2020 box. It says it right there. 2020 box of Select. So this is I'm gonna only make 3 videos. I don't want to rush. So first video is gonna be right here, right now with the Prestige. Yeah, let me just pause this. Okay, we're back. Here they are. I'm gonna do the rundown really quick. Okay, we have. Okay, even though I just did it, I have to do the rundown again because for some reason my video paused when I started the rundown. Okay, do this as fast as I possibly can. All right, Arizona CW, Terry F with Atlanta, KK with the Bills. Baltimore's Tracy M. Keith J is with can't tell who that is. Keith J is with Carolina. Steve G, Chicago. BK for Cincinnati. Vinny C, Cleveland. David D, Dallas. Caleb G, Denver and Detroit. Paul M for Green Bay. David D, also for Houston. Dave Z for Indianapolis. David D again for Jacksonville. Cromman KC. Chargers RCB. Joey E for the Rams. David D again. He's Miami. John H, Minnesota. Jared Jack for New England. And Jeff Jones wants me to call him JJ. So JJ for the New Orleans, New York Giants, and New York Jets. Bobby G for Philadelphia. Pittsburgh, David Axelrod. Mandy Sky, San Francisco. Marty A, Seattle. Joe D for Tampa Bay. D Betts for Tennessee. Tyler U for Vegas. And Richie C for Washington. Let's go. Let's get this rocking and rolling. All right. Here we go. All right. I've got this set up in a way where I'm basically reaching forward. Oops. To show these off. Now let's see if I got enough light. That's okay. I could get some more. Here, let's do this. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Larry Fitzgerald. I'm just going to do it like this. There we go. Is that good? So much better. Okay, we got Larry Fitzgerald, Allen Robinson the second, Daniel Jones. What is that? Tre'Davious White, Melvin Gordon III, Alvin Kamara, Kirk Cousins, Steve Winovich, James Conner, Joe Schubert. Then we got stupid morons putting bronze on top of silver so you can't read it. Denzel Mims, bronze on top of silver so you can't read it. Kalen Granson. Okay, time stamped. J.J. Watt, nice card. Okay, Prestige Plus, you've got, it looks like Adam Thielen, but I can't tell. There's a couple guys in a picture. Well, I love how these guys put bronze so you can't read. Oh, it's Harrison Smith. Okay. Powerhouse. Good job. Powerhouse Derrick Henry. Okay. All right. Next one. Living Legends. Mark Ganastino. I knew it was him as soon as I saw the way he was strutting around. Janet. Must be Jarrett. Looks like Janet. Jarrett Patterson. Trey Lance. Cornell Powell. Jamar Chase. Andy Dalton on the Bears. It just looks funny. Preston Williams. Lamar Jackson. Brian Burns. Deion Jones. Dallas. Looks like Goedert. Never heard of him. Dallas Goedert on the Eagles. Quinnen Williams. DJ. I want to say Clark, but it's not. I know it's not. Chark. DJ Chark Jr., Chris Godwin, and Darren Miller from the Raiders. All right. That is pack 1. Second pack. Whoa. Good thing I caught it. All right, second pack is... Oh, it didn't matter. It was one of those kid reporter cards. Couldn't even tell what it was. All right, second pack, we start with the New York Giants. Kerry Galladay. Josh Allen from the Bills. Auden Tate. Bengals. I don't know. Couldn't really see that. Yeah, I guess you could. All right. David Johnson. Darius Leonard. Jimmy Garoppolo. Jimmy G, baby. Aaron Jones from the Pack. Denzel Mims from the Jets. Austin Hooper from Cleveland. That's so weird. I actually went to school with a kid named Austin Hooper. Okay, let's see here. Ryan Tannehill from Tennessee. So that's why Tennessee's scoring all those points. You got Tannehill. Right, here we go. Bronze on silver. Aaron Jones. I guess I knew it was him because of the 33, but 58 from the Bears. No idea who it is. Maybe Smith. Let's see. Yeah. Roquan Smith. I can't believe I knew that. I'm not even a Bears fan. Powerhouse. All right. Powerhouse. Devin White from Tampa Bay. Any Given Sunday. Jets beat the Rams. That was back in, 2012? December 20th, 2020. Never mind. The Jets beat the Rams by tree with Sam Darnold. Okay. Kamara's flying high versus Niners. Kamal is awesome. Kamara. Alvin Kamara, running back. Okay. Ronald Jones II, youth movement from the Bucks. He's a world champ. Kimi Nwangu. Okay. Nick Bolton from the Chiefs. Marquez Stevenson from the Bills. Najee Harris from the Steelers. What's that, his college card? That's got to be a college card, right? Yeah, it says SEC on it. That's from South Carolina Gamecocks. Okay, Jamal Williams, Robbie Anderson, Calvin Ridley, Travis Kelce, Chase Edmonds from from the Cardinals, Jamison Crowder from the Mets, from the from the Jets, Crowden. Okay, so Jamison Crowder from the Jets. Okay, Baker Mayfield, doing good so far. Derrick Henry, Cameron Jordan, and Austin E. Keller. Austin Eckler? I don't know, not sure. Don't know him. Weird, kind of a weird name. Okay, that's that. Alright, so that is the end of the video. And thanks for watching. Thank you for those who joined. That was only $1 per team and $1 for shipping. So it was $2 per team, basically. Alright.